Hello and welcome to Jefferson's 2020 virtual open house. Yes, the snow will be falling soon. I'm Mr. Jeffrey Bohm, the principal at Jefferson Elementary. My email is jbohm@eriesd.org.
Hello, everybody. I'm Mr. John Bayhurst. I'm the assistant principal at Jefferson Elementary, and I can be reached at jbayhurst@eriesd.org.
New this year, temperatures are taken for every student, staff, and essential visitor to the building. If you visit Jefferson, you will need to have your temperature taken, give us a current phone number for contact tracing, and maintain 6 feet social distancing with a mask at all times. Only autistic support classes are attending Jefferson at this time. All other students are learning safely at home, while teachers and staff are in the building using the school district's technology and internet. Remote learning is through Schoology platform, and Zoom is being used for teacher instruction. All pre-K to first grade students are using Apple iPads, and second through fifth grade students are using Chromebooks.
Attendance and expectations. Students are expected to sign on to Schoology at 8 a.m. to participate in related arts. At 8:45, students will switch to their homeroom teacher's class for reading and math. Attendance is taken often. If students log off and we do not see them, they are considered absent. Attendance procedures have not changed because we are online. Students are expected to be logged in for the entire day.
Our online expectations are be safe, be respectful, and be responsible. I read these every day. Be safe. Join your class from a safe work area like a kitchen table or desk. Keep your cameras on. When your camera's on, we can see you and we can make sure you're safe. Keep all toys and food away from computers so it stays in good working condition. Be respectful. Make sure you are dressed according to the Erie Public Schools handbook. Be respectful of your classmates. Keep all your siblings, pets, and distractions off your screen. You are here to learn. Make sure you participate in class and turn in your assignments. Be responsible. Log in on time in the morning and in the afternoon. Be prepared for class with all materials in a fully charged Chromebook or an iPad. And have parents use teachers' office hours to check on assignments and progress.
Adult supervision. Thank you to all the wonderful parents, grandparents, relatives, daycares, and babysitters who are helping Jefferson students during this tough time. Assist students only if necessary. Teachers need to know if they understand the materials being presented. Keep distractions to a minimum. Make sure students are turning in assignments from their classes, and check with teachers during office hours from 2:15 to 2:30 p.m. with any questions or concerns instead of during instruction.
With COVID-19, masks must be worn at all times in common areas at Jefferson. Our common areas, the hallways, the bathrooms, and entrances are cleaned every 2 hours to make sure everyone's safe. There is no sharing of school supplies. And if your children have any COVID-19 symptoms, fever, cough, runny nose, sneezing, body aches, chills, or loss of smell, or any other symptoms, please keep them home until they recover. This will stop the spread and keep everyone safe.
If you're having any technology problems, please call 874-6108 or email epssupport@eriesd.org for the tech support. We miss the Jefferson students and families tremendously. If there is anything we can do for you in these trying times, please call or email us for support.